Walk to Mama. Oh my goodness. Hey. Don't distract him, Amaria. Very good, son. Oh. Try again. Can you put him on the couch so he can try to walk? Jaden. Walk to Mommy and sister. Hey. All right. Great job. We said it at the same time. Good job, Jaden. Go, put him back and see if he'll do it again.
Put him back.
Amaria, please. Oh, Amaria, he fell already. He'll crawl to us. You don't have to get his toy, Amaria. Let's not distract him anymore. Just his pants has fallen down. Jaden, come to Mommy and sister. Oh man. He got too excited. Jaden, come here. Let's not get him too excited. Oh.
Good boy. Good job.
He's gonna try it by himself. Oh. Come here, Jaden. He's getting too excited. Okay, alright, let's leave him. Let's leave him. Come on here.
Okay.
Son, calm down. You're getting too excited.
Maybe he's getting too excited because of my monkey jammies.
Maybe. Hmm? Wow, great job.
Good. Good boy.
Oh, very good, Jaden.
Good job. Boing, boing. Baby, 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 baby.
Alright. See you later.
See you later, team.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Good job, team. Sister's so proud of you. Everybody's so proud of you.
Do you want to say anything else, Amaria?
Oh, can I sing Itsy Bitsy Spider?
Let's do that on another video. Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.